this really is a staff that cares about their patients, the outcome, and every aspect of the treatments have been, again, amazing. I've been a patient since 2012. I moved from Marina Del Rey back in 2009 and played tennis and had a patellar tendon injury, and I just couldn't get over it. I ultimately Googled how did Rafael Nadal overcome his knee problems, and sure enough it was platelet-rich plasma. So I didn't know who did that work here in Austin. Found out that Dr. Dave Harris and Charm were not only doing that, but they're one of the top 5 to 10 in the world. When you come in here, the staff, ultimately the culture, it's a place with the colors and the feel that you are in an environment. That's why I think they call it Charm, right? It stands for something, but really when you walk in and you're dealing with any kind of medical problem, just the very fact that you feel good while you're getting your treatment, I just think it's a world-class clinic.